Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today I am here to discuss book work of chapter number 3, Clothes We Wear. Before doing book work, we will revise what we have learned in this chapter. Okay, let's start. Topics covered. Clothes means why do we wear clothes? Types and sources of fabric and different clothes in different seasons. Children, why do we wear clothes? Clothes protect us from dirt, heat, cold, insects and injury. When we wear clothes, clothes protect us from dirt, getting dirty, heat of the sun, from cold in winters, insect bites and injury. When you ride bicycle, you fall now. So if you have wore the clothes, it protects you from getting injured. Types and sources of fabric. Now we will see from where we get fabric and what are the types of fabric. Plants and animals give us the raw material to make clothes. Now, who gives raw material to make clothes? Where do we get raw material from? We get raw material from plants and animals. Cotton plants give cotton to make cotton clothes. Now, how cotton clothes are made? Cotton clothes are made from cotton. And from where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. This is cotton plant and these are cotton clothes. Sheep gives wool to make woolen clothes. From where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. And what do we make of wool? We make woolen clothes. They are warm. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Silkworm gives silk to make silk clothes. Now, how silk clothes are made? Silk clothes are made from silk. And from where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. Flax plant gives flax to make linen. Okay. How do we make linen? We make linen from flax. And from where do we get flax? We get flax from flax plant. You can see in this picture also. Some animals give fur and leather to make jackets and shoes. Some animals give us fur and leather. What we make from fur and leather? We make jackets and shoes. These products keep us warm. Now, man also makes clothes from man-made fibers. Rayon and nylon are man-made fibers. Children, we saw that plants and animals give us raw material to make clothes. Now, man also make clothes. From which fibers? From man-made fibers. And do you know the name of man-made fibers? They are rayon and nylon. Tailor stitches clothes for us. Who stitches clothes for us? Tailor stitches clothes for us. Now, different clothes in different seasons. We wear clothes according to season. Can you wear cotton clothes in winter season? No. Now we will see in which season we wear which type of cloth. Summer season. Summer is a hot season, so we wear cool clothes in summer season which keep us cool. Okay. Like frock, vest, shirt, top, t-shirt and skirt. These products are made from cotton. And from where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. We wear cotton clothes in hot summer season. Now, winter season. In winter season, we wear clothes that keep us warm because winter season is very cold season. So, we wear clothes which keep us warm like shawl, pullover, coat, scarf and jacket. Now, rainy season. In rainy season, we wear clothes that protect us from getting wet, that protect us from rain, like raincoat, and we also use umbrella for our protection. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Now we will do book work of this chapter. What you have to do? You have to take out page number 21 and you have to do work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Let's start. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. Dash give us woolly hair to make woolen clothes. Okay. From where do we get woolly hair? Which animal gave us woolly hair? Yes, do you know the answer? Who gives? From where do we get? We get from sheep. Okay, write with me. Spelling of sheep is S-H-E-E-P. S will be capital, kids. Okay, number 2. Dash gives us silk to make silk clothes. Silk clothes are made from silk. And from where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. So the answer is silkworm. Write with me. S-I-L-K, silk, W-O-R-M, worm. S will be capital. Okay. Point number 3. Cotton clothes are worn in the dash season. In which season we wear cotton clothes? Cotton clothes are cool, na? So in which season we wear? We wear them in the hot summer season. In which season? Hot summer season. Write with me. H-O-T, hot, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. I hope you all are doing it very well with me in a beautiful handwriting. Question number B. Match the following. First is flax, synthetic fiber, cotton clothes, raincoat. On the second hand side, man-made, linen, monsoon and cool. Okay. Flax. Flax is a man-made fiber? No. We make linen cloths from flax? Yes. So in front of linen, write point number 1. Synthetic fiber. Is synthetic a man-made fiber? Is it a monsoon or is it a cool? It is a man-made fiber. So write number 2 in front of man-made. Now cotton clothes. Cotton clothes we wear it in monsoon or they are cool? They are cool. So write in front of write number 3 in front of cool. Now last is raincoat. We wear raincoat in which season? We wear raincoat in monsoon, in rainy season. So write number 4 in front of monsoon. Question number C. Answer the following questions. Children, question 1 and 2 we have already done in the notebook. 3 we will be doing it in the book. Who stitches clothes for us? Who stitches clothes for us? Tailor. Who stitches? Tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. T will be capital, kids. Now I hope you all have done this work with me in a very beautiful handwriting and you have revised this chapter well with me. Thank you.